The philosophy of craniosacral therapy is rooted in the idea that the body has an innate ability to heal itself and self regulate. Here are the 5 tenets of that philosophy. Innate healing intelligence. CST practitioners believe that the body is self regulating. So when there's an issue with the craniosacral system, it can affect the nervous system and overall well being. So your job as a CST practitioner is not to fix the body, but rather to create the conditions to where the innate healing mechanisms can activate and restore balance. The craniosacral rhythm. Just as the body has a heartbeat and breath, it's also thought to have a craniosacral rhythm, which is the gentle pulsation of cerebrospinal fluid. This can affect bones, nerves, and tissues. So, by gently sensing and working with this rhythm, you can restore harmony and balance to the body. Holistic connection. CST views the body as an integrated whole: physical, emotional, and energetic. If there's an issue with the craniosacral system, it can lead to physical pain, stress, and emotional imbalance. So, treatment works with the whole person, not just the symptom. Gentle, non-forceful approach. The philosophy here is that less is more. By creating a very gentle touch, you're going to trust that the body is going to respond to subtle support over forceful manipulation. And this is what makes craniosacral therapy a lot different than other forms of manual therapy. Mind-body-spirit alignment. CST incorporates the belief that unresolved physical and emotional trauma can become held in tissues. By releasing these restrictions, it's not only going to help with physical pain, but also it's going to help mentally and emotionally. This can lead to calm, balance, and alignment.